The FSA 5809 has many receiving elements for greater reception. This means more channels and improved picture quality. Here's what you'll find inside the box: a base element, director element, and the 360-degree rotating motor. It also comes with a control box, remote control, UL listed control box power supply, 40 feet coaxial cable, 4-way coaxial splitter, mounting harness, a bag of cable clips, and a bag with screws for antenna assembly. Follow the instruction manual to assemble the main antenna with the screws. After installing the antenna, connect it to the control box with a coaxial cable. Plug in the control box power supply, and then connect the control box to the TV. Use your TV's auto scan feature when hooking it up to the control box for the first time. This allows your TV to scan for all available channels.